This week, we've been working to show you all the different facets of the opioid epidemic, specifically here in Alabama. We've discussed pill mills run by doctors. Today, we're looking at manufacturers, drug manufacturers that are producing those opioids. We sat down with the Attorney General this week, who said the lawsuit that the state has filed against various opioid manufacturers alleges those companies knew the addictive nature of the drugs, but ran misinformation campaigns for doctors that stated the medication was safe and would not create dependency. The manufacturers in the lawsuit produce Oxycontin and Opana ER. This case is significant because Alabama has now been selected as one of 5 test cases in the country, which will help set a precedent. The state hopes to use this lawsuit to change the practices of these companies, but also recoup losses to the general fund. While the state is waiting on the green light to move forward with discovery, it's already seeing results.
Purdue Pharma was the first defendant that was sued. Within 4 days of the filing of the lawsuit, they had agreed to no longer directly market opioids to physicians, cut their sales force in half, and in fact we saw a few weeks ago that they have fully decided to pull back their sales force on opioids completely. We think that that's a clear win for us and is partly something dictated by this litigation.
Now, as we all know, Alabama has had one of the highest opioid prescription writing rates in the entire country. Steve Marshall said that he's very pleased to see that since they've started re-educating doctors after those misinformation campaigns, that our prescription writing rates are down already 23%. So that's great news, Mark.
Right. Thanks so much for pointing that out, Jennifer.